Oh, today's the big day. Finally picking up the Raven. Coloured Nextgen 11.5. Comes completely packed. So looking forward to getting this home and unpacked. See you guys soon. Okay guys, we're back at the house. And this is going to be the unboxing of the Nextgen 11.5 in the Raven colour. So let's get started. I'm going to try hold this phone whilst I'm cutting through, so bear with me. I've got to say the amount of packing that they've put onto this is outstanding. You've got a fabric kind of padding inside, as well as your plastic right around it to keep it waterproof and safe. Tell you what, I'll come back to you. Okay, now with all of that plastic top layer off, they've got a really nice thick, kind of like a blanket mesh that surrounds the whole kayak, keeping it safe. And then to top that off, they've got bubble wrap underneath that, those thick bubbles. So one thing's for sure, it's definitely getting kept safe whilst in transport. I'm going to continue to cut this off and then come back to you. Okay, now finally with all of that packing off, here's the Nextgen 11.5 in the Raven colour. Let's go for a quick walk around. While I'm there, I'm going to show you how much packing and padding and everything it had. That's intense. It's just a quick walk around. While I'm there, we'll have a look. That's your back handle. That obviously goes into the back here. Comes with some nuts there. What else? And we come over to this section here. You've got your padding that will go down. This one comes here, and these ones, I think, around this section here. You've got your Kayaks2fish, or you've got your next rail for the front. Go there. And also what is not in the picture right now is the box with the max drive, as well as the chair. But I can show you guys that in a later video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to show you guys how it comes boxed and what you'll expect in there. So as I said, what's missing in this picture is the max drive and the chair, but this is how you'll get it. I'll quickly open up the front hatch also, because there's some bits and pieces in there. Massive hatch. All right, so in here we've got the 360 rail mounted rod holder with some tracks and stuff like that with that. You've got a paddle leash and I guess your card for your process card. All good. And then obviously you can take that off and go into the hole if necessary. That's that. Let's have a look in the back hatch in case there's anything, but I'm not expecting anything in that one. No, nothing in there, as good as that is. Beautiful. Well guys, this is the unboxing of the new kayak. I'm looking forward to building it and putting my little tweaks on there. Over the course of the next few days I will be releasing different videos. I'll do a review on there once I've actually had a chance to take her out and give her a go. Anyway, thanks for checking in. See ya.